7th, Wellness is here to help you sustain lasting weight loss success. And one of the best ways to achieve this is by introducing a healthy eating plan into your lifestyle. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is important for many reasons. Not only does it make us look and feel better, but it also helps protect our overall health in the long term. But before you start any diet, it's essential that you create an eating plan that you can actually stick to. Making small but sustainable changes to your eating habits over time will help you throughout your journey toward lasting weight loss success. Here are a few tips on how to implement a healthy eating plan. Begin by setting realistic goals. This will help you stay focused and make reaching your goals more achievable. Don't forget to reward yourself when you achieve the goals you set out. Cut unhealthy snacks and foods out of your diet. This includes processed and junk foods, such as fast food, sweets, and fatty snacks. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Doing so will reduce your calorie intake and provide your body with vitamins and minerals. Try to make healthy choices when dining out. Avoid deep-fried dishes and opt for lean proteins, such as grilled fish, lean beef, or poultry. Drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated. This will also help you feel fuller for longer. Try to limit the number of alcoholic beverages you consume in a week. Use portion control. This will help you eat just enough and not overindulge. Diversify your diet by including healthy snacks, such as nuts, seeds, fruits, or any other low-calorie food options. Making better food choices doesn't have to be a chore. Meal prep can be a fun and easy way to ensure you're eating healthy and nutritious meals during the week. Think ahead and find quick and easy recipes that you'll enjoy in order to make your eating plan workable and sustainable. The 7th Wellness team is here to support you along your weight loss journey. By following our tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving lasting weight loss success.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to the party, roll up to